Welcome. Welcome to your first episode of Science with Dr. Maldonado. We're happy you could join us. Today we are going to make a simple accordion foldable. So what do you need for that? 3 sheets of 8.5 by 11 blank paper, a pencil, a ruler, preferably metric because I love it, but you actually are going to use the standard measurements using inches. Boo. All right, that's what we're going to need. So let's take this away. I'll just put it over here on the side just to keep us remembering what we're going to be using. All right, and our little handy dandy ingredients, and let's get started. All right, 3 sheets, just regular. I'm just using regular printer paper, no big deal. Okay, you can use construction paper, totally your call. This is just what we have here from the copy machine, and all you're going to do is just some simple measuring. Take your ruler, start from your inch side, and what you want to do is line up your 3 sheets of paper, keep them all 1 inch apart. Now, depending on the age of your students, and if students you are watching, the easiest way to actually do this, let's take this aside, is first just mark 1 inch from the top on your first sheet of paper. So let's do exactly that. 1 inch nice and lightly, do 1 inch. And then you rest your piece of paper right there. Line it up. And then come back here. Again, 1 inch right there. And remember, rulers don't always start from the top, so make sure you're starting from your first line. Your next sheet of paper, line it up nice and evenly. Make sure everything is lined up. Okay. Hope everyone's having a great day. So sunny where we are, but that's all right. Great day, still a great day wherever you are. It's a great day where I am. There we go. So we've got everything all nice and lined up. It's 1 inch apart on each side. And even when I fold it over, look, it should still be 1 inch apart on this side. And we really want these to line up, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch. Now, when I flip this and fold, notice you can still see those inch marks there. I want to make sure this folded over edge now comes to be 1 inch from that one too. So the best way to do that now is from this line down here, measure 1 inch down. Yeah. And I flipped this over. That line up, and now I do a nice hard crease from the middle, out, out, and all I have to do is, remember I said I needed a stapler. There's my stapler, right? Good old swing line stapler, nice heavy steel stapler. Gosh, I think this stapler is probably older than most of the people that might be watching this. Now, I made this, it looks like it's a little uneven, so you might want to just double check your fold. It's okay to refold if you need to. Oh, still uneven. I'm not saying everything has to be perfect, but the more even your fold, the better this turns out. And then just 1 staple on one side. Now you have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? It's got all your flapped foldable. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flaps, foldable. I hope this was a helpful way to help you make a foldable, and you will come back to see more. Have a great day, everyone.